Hello my lovely viewers, today we're making biryani recipe. In this pan we have rice, but make sure the rice is cooked only 80%, not fully. Then we've got the ingredients here: potatoes, onions, cinnamon sticks, elaichis, cardamoms, biryani mix and powder, and some spicy balls. Once the pan is heated, we add vegetable oil to a pan. Then we add all the onions, cinnamon sticks, cardamom and cloves, and elaichis to the pan. Whilst that's heating up, we add salt, add to your tasting and preference. And let that simmer for a couple of minutes. Next, get your potatoes, rice that we cooked earlier, only 80%, and drain them. Here we have onions. We're going to slightly fry some onions until they're golden brown for decoration and to add to the taste of the biryani. The important thing is to make sure they do not burn but turn into a golden brown colour. Once they're golden brown like so, take them aside and put them onto a separate plate. We'll be needing them later on. Next, get the potatoes that we have and put yellow food colouring on them. We'll add to the colour of the biryani and make sure they're fried. Next, add your chicken into the mixture that we already had. Let them cook and add ginger and garlic mixture into the pan as well. Mix them all together, make sure that all the flavours are integrated. Make sure they cook for at least 20 minutes. Next, we're going to be adding biryani powder mixture. We like to use the brand called Shan. Add a bit more. And mix them all together as well. Next we have our fried potatoes and the fried onions, and we have the 80% washed rice, that's 80% cooked, sorry. The chicken is now cooked, as you can see. All the pink parts are turned into white. Now we're going to be adding the rice into the pan. And we're going to spread it out to cover up the whole upper layer. We have turned the stove heating from high to low now, and we're gonna let that cook for 18 minutes afterwards. But first we added yellow food colouring, but definitely add blue and red food colouring if you have some to make it more look more fun. Add the fried potatoes and garnish with fried onions and coriander and chilli. Unfortunately, we didn't have any coriander in the house. And we're going to put the lid on and cook on low heat for around 18 minutes. Mix all your biryani and the rice to make sure the food colouring and the chicken and everything mixes up and integrates. And now you let that cook for 18 minutes. This is the final result once the biryani is done. It looks so delicious. And what we've got to do next is plate it up. We have used a tomato for garnish and some boiled eggs. But you can garnish with whatever you like, and it's ready to serve. If you have enjoyed this biryani recipe, please make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And hopefully we'll come back with another video. Thank you. Take care.